Well, we caught some very beautiful aurora last month, and in this week's Weather Wise, I'm going to cover how we could maybe catch that again based on the same coronal hole that was here last month. So this is an image from March 24th, it says down at the bottom, where there's a big black hole here. This is called a coronal hole, and unlike these brighter sunspots, they have magnetic field lines that are completely open, streaming into outer space, becoming part of what's called the solar wind. That does end up coming toward us here on Earth at times, and there's actually some forecast models out there that space weather scientists use in order to track what we call these high-speed streams. So we have plasma density here and velocity. So this is the stuff, and we can see bright colors where there's more of it, and then how fast it's going, again brighter where it's faster. So we can track coronal mass ejections, but what this loop is here is part of what was called the high-speed stream that came toward us last month. Now it is making its way back again, and we can time these out about 7 days per quarter. Now we do have different points on the sun that rotate around into Earth's view at different times depending on where they are on the equator, because the plasma doesn't rotate the same everywhere. So 35 days up near the poles, but where that coronal hole was could then be returning back to us here around the 19th or 20th of April. So we can keep our eyes to the sky, just knowing that when we saw that passing last time, it was brighter, there was a little bit more density, and it was moving faster. So this time, maybe not quite as bright colors in the sky, but definitely keep your eye up there, and let's hope for very low cloud cover. And I know that it's a new moon, so the luminance will be low, and that's also very good for trying to see aurora.